Dear students, welcoming this video. In our previous class, we have discussed about the rational numbers. So, in that, we are finding rational numbers between any two rational numbers. If they are given any two rational numbers, in between these two rational numbers, we found 3 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, like that. But here we have one different example, that is find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 rational numbers they have given, but we have to find only one rational numbers, means it is not necessary to find to make the denominator same. In our previous example, to find the 3 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers, we made the denominators same. Here we have denominators 4 and 2. We made denominators same, and by using the numerator value, we return so many rational numbers in between them. But here we have only one rational number. Means for that one separate rule is there. What is that? That rule is called to find the mean. So MEAN, mean means middle point. So to find the mean in between any two rational numbers, we have one general formula. We use that general formula to find the rational numbers. In between two rational numbers, we are finding only one rational numbers. So here see, if A and B are any two rational numbers, A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B divided by 2. If you find A plus B divided by 2, you are getting that middle number. We are getting that middle rational number. So A plus B divided by 2 is a rational number between A and B. So on the number line, here we have 0. So here we have 1 by 4 and here 1 by 2. Suppose imagine that here 1 by 4 and here 1 by 2. In between only one number we want. Means here see, we have one unit in between this. Means in the middle point, which number coming, that we are going to finding by using the mean. So see, also one condition is holds good. That is that first rational number, that is 1 upon 4, that is less than the middle number. Whatever you are getting that middle number, no, that must be greater than this A number. And that whatever you are getting that middle number, that must be less than the second fraction, the second rational number. We will see with the help of example now this condition also. So our example is A is 1 by 4, we have 1 by 4 one rational number, and B is equal to 1 by 2 another rational number. Now we are finding the rational number in between these two. Means we are going to finding the mean. So put A and B value in this formula, that is called a mean. That is called the mean. So A plus B divided by 2. So see students, while finding the mean between any two numbers, not only rational numbers, take any two natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. The mean is you are adding these two numbers and dividing by 2. That is called the mean. Suppose if you take 2 and 3. So to find the mean in between these two, means you are adding these two numbers and dividing by 2. Means 5 by 2 number coming in between these two also. Okay students. So we are only finding 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 in between the one rational number only. So A plus B divided by 2 we are finding. Put A and B value. A is 1 by 4 plus B is 1 by 2 divided by, see with symbol I am writing like this. So it becomes easy to find the calculation. So see, divided by 2. This not I am writing, only this symbol I have used here, divided by 2. So here we have denominators different, we have to make the LCM. So 4 and 2 LCM becomes 4 only. So 4 how much is that we are multiplying? 1 by 1 plus here we have denominator means 2 how much is 4? 2 by 2. See 1 divided by 4 1 is 4 plus 1 2 is 2 divided by 2 2 is 4. That divided by 2 you have to keep as it is. See here we have both the denominators same means once you have to write and add the numerators 1 plus 3 that is 3 by 4 divided by 2 you have to keep as it is. Here we have division of fractions now. In the division of fractions we are keeping the first fraction as it is and writing the second fractions reciprocal. So 3 by 4 as it is, division becomes multiplication, 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2. So cancellation is not happening means we have to multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, 3 1 is 3, 4 2 is 8. Means here we are getting 3 by 8 as the rational number in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So only find a plus b divided by 2. Directly you are getting 3 by 8 as the middle number. Okay. So this condition whether it is holds good or not we will check now. So a is 1 by 4, a is 1 by 4 is less than whatever you are getting that mean that is middle number 3 by 8 that is greater than that 1 by 4 and also 3 by 8 is less than the second fraction the second rational number 1 by 2. So we are checking this now also. So take first one 1 by 4 whether it is smaller than 3 by 8 we are checking. So here we have denominator difference 4 and 8 is there. We have to find the LCM that is 4 and 8 LCM you are getting 8 only. So while comparing these two rational numbers we have to make the denominators same. For that only we are finding LCM. So 8 is LCM means for 1 by 4 I am multiplying 2 by 2 and for 3 by 8 I am multiplying 1 by 1. So here we got 2 by 8 and here we got 3 by 8. See here we have denominator same that is 8 and see towards the numerator here we have 2 and here we have 3 means which one is greater? 3 is greater means see 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 4 like that. This means this also our holds good and again we will checking for this also that is a plus b divided by 2 is less than b. That is 3 by 8 in middle point we got and which is less than second rational number that is 1 by 2. See 3 by 8. Here we have again denominators different 8 and 2. So we have to find the LCM means 8 and 2 LCM becomes again 8 only. So for 3 by 8 I am going to multiplying by 1 by 1 and for 1 by 2 I am going to multiply 4 by 4. So multiply numerator that is 3 1 is 3 divided by 8 is less than again you have to write as it is again here 1 4 is 4 divided by 8. See denominators are same compare numerator see 3 and 4 means 4 is greater 1. In place of 4 by 8 we have 1 by 2. See 1 by 2. 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is less than 1 by 2. That is the condition for mean. Okay students. Thank you students.